You may ask, what is he doing? Well, this is a brand new hot water heater, and I used a flex cable coming up from underneath, and I fed it. You got your Dometic hot water heater, and I'll show you how I did that. Here we go. So basically, the things to remember when you're doing this, I went and found this at Home Depot, which was tremendous because this flex wire is so much better than this crap that they used before. You see this? Just not, it's kinked and not safe. I don't trust it. Anyway, so this is how my connectivity is going. I filled the gap up with some of this my favorite and famous filler, which I'll trim off, and this will be stuck up in here. I use plumber's tape to do the connect. Okay, so now we're cool on that. And then up here, you just slide this thing in. I'm using my special screws that I got that you're gonna tap in and really lock this thing in with my gasket tape there. And I'm gonna feed that in once this is in place to my hot water heater. And once it's all screwed down, you just rehook it back up the way it was, put the new door on. In this case, I got a white door, which is not really what I want. I want a door that's going to match the trailer. We'll address that problem later. But basically, that's all there is to it. Just kind of reverse procedure on the removal.